Hi
Express.
guys!
Tapos, ang ginamit ng technique is impressionism.
Say hi,
Bali,
hi. Say hi.
Dinadat-dat lang na gano'n yung brush hanggang sa makabuo ka ng isang
I'm
painting.
literally
So,
recording.
yun. Bakit si Kuya Joel? Ayaw mag Thank you,
This
Kuya.
is my painting.
Teka. Sige.
This is one of the best paintings I already seen. I'm recording.
So, okay. Now, maybe call on... Hindi kailangan mga...
I'm not much of a recorder, so
Ikaw na muna mag-speak sa ganun na lahat. So, may we call on our, all the kids with their paintings para magpa-picture. Ha? Kakuya muna.
oh, someone else.
Magpa-picture muna sila.
They forgot
Kuya, kayo muna mag-ano dito.
They forgot someone. Sino?
Sige. Ano po tayo? Group picture muna po tayo.
Kabubu.
Siya Tilusi. May painting siya Tilusi. May ginawang painting. Nagagsaya ka dyan ng acrylic eh.
Say hi, Lauren. Lorena.
So yun naman ang table
Hi.
pakitas ng konti para magkasya yung mga bata.
I'm recording. No one.
Oh, bring your paintings, mga big kids. Please bring your paintings here.
Okay, I'm gonna bring my painting. Anyways, I'm gonna
Sir,
pause.
picture muna sir.